Anyone who's gardened in Europe, they know that people will do strange things to their rhubarb. Rhubarb is a love-hate relationship. They say that there isn't a single animal that will eat rhubarb. So there's all these weird things that go on with this, this strange tuberous plant. Now what's interesting about it is we can actually jumpstart it. We can get it to grow even better than it does normally, and we can get it to taste sweeter. And how we do that is we get rid of the sunlight for a little bit of time. So basically we cover the plant, the rhubarb plant, make sure we don't damage any leaves. Okay, so now the rhubarb plant believes that it's covered with dirt. So what does it do? It sends out all these new shoots. And these shoots have a very peculiar difference. They will have less oxalic acid in them. They will taste sweeter, and they won't be so bitter when you actually bite into them. Now there's nothing better than a rhubarb strawberry apple pie or a mix of fruits, and having one of the characters being the rhubarb stems. So we're at 2,400 meters here, and we're actually really surprised that we're getting rhubarb to grow at all, but it's very leggy. So what we're hoping is that if we can cover them, we'll get a stronger growth coming out of the center. And that's like a new start for the plant, where it can actually start to grow coming out of the ground, out of the center, and being a lot more vigorous in the center part of the plant instead of so leggy. Now, you can't leave this covered for more than 1 week, because then you're going to have the opposite effect. You're going to actually hurt the success of growing this rhubarb. So after 1 week, we'll take this cover off, and it'll be a completely different plant, because what happens is it'll have all this really strong red new growth coming out of the middle.